Hey guys, welcome! I'm gonna be harvesting some onions today. It's my first harvest. I've taken out like maybe 3 of them already, and then my mom came the other day and takes some away. But some are toppled over. It's hard to tell. Again, this is my first time, and it's hard to tell if they're ready. But I read that when this falls over, they're ready. This is already falling over, and when these are dry, they're ready. So I'm just gonna take the ones out that are already toppled over, like this one, and this one over here is already just falling over. This seems dry, and it says to you should stop watering like a week before you harvest them, but I have other vegetables here and stuff, so I didn't stop watering. So we'll see how they cure. This one's not ready. It's still like erect here, so I'll just wait till that dries up or topples over. Anyway, let's take out this one. And you want to take them out with the roots a little still intact and leave those roots on when you're curing them. Curing them means like to dry them. Yay, look at that beauty. Let's see, this one's toppled over. She looks small, but let's pull her. It was 3 types of onions I planted. This one looks like the Texas white. I think it was Texas white. And then this is Texas sweet, I think. And then this was red Creole. So like this red one, the red one, flowered. So I don't think we could eat that one anymore. I'm just gonna let it flower and see if I get any seeds. And the flower is good for like some insects. Let's see what else. Let's pull this red one out. Has some dry leaves and it toppled over already, so let's see. Ooh, looks pretty. I read you could use like a fork or like a pick so you could keep most of the roots intact, but I'm just pulling it. Don't listen to me. This is my first time. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Oh, it's tiny. It's toppled over. She's small too. A lot of the white ones are ready, seems like. The red and the yellow are not. This one, these are toppled over. This seems still hard and soft. I'm not sure if I should pull it, but she looks pretty ready. I'm gonna do it. And we installed these shades, but I need to fix them. I don't know why this one, I don't think that anything happened with that one. Ooh, that one's rotting. Put it in my compost. And, oh, I think this was garlic actually. Yeah, it smells like garlic. I guess I put it next to the onion. Should we take this one off? I'll just leave that one for a little bit. Yay! Okay, now I'm gonna cure them. Let's see how I do that. I read that not all onions need to be cured. I'm in a warm climate in zone 8A and it's 80 to 95 degrees now. And these were short day onions, so it says I only need to dry the harvested onions for a few days before I could trim them and move them into the refrigerator. And the most important thing is giving them shade and having plenty of air circulation around the bulbs. I had this dirt sifter my husband had made a long time ago, so I'm using this for now. and I didn't exactly know where to put them, so this is what we're gonna use. I feel like it's too hot outside, so I'm putting them in my laundry room. It's about 70 to 75 degrees in my house. And according to Texas Master Gardener, once cured, the red krill onions will store for about 2 to 3 months. But I couldn't find information on the other two as to how long they're stored. So if anyone knows, give me a heads up. And that concludes me harvesting my onions. If you have any tips for me or tricks, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.